raw this motherfucking madman. Let the madness begin. I'm tapping your chin, box your grill, smoke on some pot and chill, then pop a pill. Shorty wop twat and drill. John is the beast. You can shake the hair from my feet. Hungry flow. You got spit nothing in the street. Ladies love Cool James with the HRP. I turn impersonation, have them thinking I need. Back to the drum again. Drug trafficking, black Africans drinking Heineken. Shotgun Zulu, Papa rockin' on your Google. Who do you? Think you all call your raps doodle? I shoot you. I'm not like these other rappers. Flash in the pants, dance steps. Fuck a rapper. Ruckus after the gold, and after that the platinum. Beef after that, hurricane drink back to that, son. One. Tell this young set it off. Let the madness begin. Tell this young set it off. Let the madness begin. Tell this young set it off. Let the madness begin. Tell this young set it off. Rock set it off. I got too many niggas I hate. Only one night to kill them, so gunshot options. Hoes to the highest bidder. Ain't no room for you jump there with Rucky the trash. The young black thug rap hard, couple is bad.